How to uninstall or delete hidden apps on Android. Hello and welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can remove or delete your hidden apps on Android. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Settings app. Here, scroll below and tap on Settings and Privacy. Now to view your hidden apps, just scroll below again and tap on More Security Settings under Additional Security Settings. Here tap on Device Admin Apps and it will show you all of the hidden apps from your device. Now to simply deactivate them, untoggle this button and it will say Deactivate. Tap onto it. Do the same for others as well. And just like so, this is how you can do it. If you would like to reactivate it again, the process is same. Just go onto your settings, then tap on Security and Privacy, and tap on More Security Settings and Device Admin Apps. Just like so, you can reactivate here. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.